the management of your IT environment has become highly specialized. And for a safe and well-functioning Microsoft 365 environment, good management is essential. With regular updates and new applications, it is constantly developing. Our ALTA-ICT ensures that you can work efficiently and carefree. With our professional service desk, we offer 3 advantages. 1. Continuity with first, second, and third line support. 2. Support in digital infrastructure and incident management. And 3. Proactive background management to identify and resolve security issues at an early stage. Want to know more about our management options? Contact us.